Hey!
Hey, how's it going?
So, as you can see, we're in a cold country now and we are in Canada.
Yes, we are actually going to Montreal. We're actually in Toronto at this moment. We're gonna take an overnight bus going to Montreal. We'll be arriving tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Montreal, so stay tuned. Going to Montreal. Good morning!
Good morning, we're in Montreal.
We are in Montreal. So it was a rough night of bus ride. Basically, it was super hot. We're talking about like sweating level hot. And it was like super cold out. So it's just a weird feeling and everybody was struggling. And for some reason, it's just not the best way to travel. So at Kingston, there is a bus stop, so we actually switched to lower deck and it was way better. We managed to catch some sleep and a couple of hours later we arrived in downtown Montreal. Now we're sitting in this place where we're staying and we're about to explore the Old Montreal and everything else.
Yeah, bus tickets cost around $19 one way per person, and yeah, we lucky we don't really need to book a hotel or something like this because my sister lives here and we just crash into her place. But yeah.
Yeah, it was 6 o'clock in the morning and she actually picked us up, so it was we really appreciate it because otherwise it's a little bit uncomfortable wandering the street at 6 o'clock in the morning in winter in Montreal.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go explore this beautiful town.
Yes, I'm super excited and they're excited too. Yeah, let's go.
So our first stop in Montreal is Montreal City Hall.
Yes, it's part of the old town. We took the train, got here, having my morning coffee, and how do you like it so far?
Let's see.
How do you like it so far? No? Let's see? Okay.
Let's see.
Welcome to Montreal. Lyra doesn't like it that much.
I
According
like
to
it.
her, it looks like one of those Eastern European cities.
I like
I
it.
like it. I thought it was from an American perspective. It's very European, and especially in Old Town, all of these architectures and stuff. Yeah. So what do you think? Tell us.
Let's see more. We just started. Let's see more.
Okay.
For now, it's okay. It's not Paris. So after City Hall, we decided to check the area around, and we find this like pretty famous street for pedestrians. It's cute, and they have lots of lights and little shops and some big pretty buildings here.
Yeah, and Lira says this place has got to be super cool in summer.
Yeah.
Imagine all of these outdoor seatings and everything. Yeah, I can see this place as a like nice place in summer. But winter is fine too. I like it here in winter.
It's really cute. I like it here. Toronto doesn't have it.
So it's freezing cold. We're in Old Montreal. This is our first day. For some reason, sun is going down. It's only like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But at least we found the street that Lira really likes. She feels like this is one of the few places that she feels like it's genuinely amazing in Montreal.
Well, we just started. We haven't been to too many.
It's a nice
places.
car driving past by. Yeah. So.
And also my hands are cold today. So today cameraman is new.
Yes.
Because I can't film.
We're talking about -8 degrees Celsius. So.
Cold. So I
It's
can't
cold.
film.
Yeah, but it's nice. We're happy to be here. Probably gonna go somewhere warmer later. Have some nice dinner. And yeah, it's a Friday night. It's gonna be fun.
Let's explore.
Hey! Ice skating in Montreal. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the famous Montreal version of Notre-Dame Basilica. Yeah, unfortunately, I feel like one of the towers is actually under construction. It's been like this for a while. We're here. Today is December 13th, 2024. So 2 weeks before Christmas, and this is Notre-Dame Basilica. It's under construction, but it's pretty.
exploring Montreal Eaton Center, and we just had dinner. It was so yummy. We got like some Vietnamese food. We got pho and banh mian. I loved it so much.
It's pretty nice. We had these Vietnamese food. It's good price. It's a large portion, and
Yeah.
it's Christmas time. They had some Christmas market over there, and there's a lot of stuff happening. It's a Friday night, so a little bit more crowded than usual. If you want to come down here, just make sure you come here early. Yeah, sometimes it could be a little bit hard finding seating. Yeah, but overall it's a good spot to check out. They have very good food. I saw some lobster sandwiches, some barbecue. They all look pretty good.
Yeah, so basically our food cost $16 and $17, but with taxes it was like around 37. So 37 for dinner, very big dinner.
It's good price
It's
for
good.
Montreal.
Yes.
Yeah.